Let me show you how to get your name on Google search results within 24 to 72 hours. Very, very fast. Now, imagine typing your name on Google and your LinkedIn, your Facebook, and your entire profile is coming up just like the one you are seeing on my screen. Yes, now I'm going to show you how I was able to rank my own personal name on Google search results. You might think, why do you need this? You need it because it is not good that people are trying to search for you and they are seeing someone else. Now imagine as a digital marketer, you type DM Olawale and you are not seeing my name. Then what am I doing in marketing space? Nothing. So now let me show you how you can do that in just 24 to 72 hours and you're done. Well, before we get into it, you need to do something very fast. Because on this channel, I keep dropping powerful tips and powerful secrets on how you can navigate, not theory alone. So please do yourself a favor by doing what? Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and probably share for one person to see. Alright, let's delve into it now. I'm going to show you how I was able to rank my own personal name. Now, what are those things that you need? You need just like this out of these three things. You need like 2 out of this. Number 1, you need to get a personal domain if you want it very fast. If you don't have a domain, no problem, but you can buy a cheap domain. You can just go on afishost.com and get a domain as low as 6,000 naira, domain and hosting, and you're done. And you only need it for 1 month. That's just the secret there. You need it for 1 month, then your profile will continue ranking every day. Now let's move on. If you don't have that, then you can use this other platform that I'm going to show you, and you are going to get the desired results. Now, before you start, the first thing that you must correct is that you, on your LinkedIn profile, on your Instagram, and your Facebook, ensure that all your informations are the same on all these your platform. That means on your LinkedIn, you must not be using Olajire Olawale Emmanuel, and on your Instagram, you are using Yongidu. No, because Google does not rank profile. Google rank content. That's what Google is interested in. So, and number 2, ensure that you are contributing to your feed. As a digital marketer, at least once in a week, I must write something that is relevant for Google search, that once I write it, is going to crawl my name. Now, let me leave all this complicated angle. Let's see how to do that crawling very fast. Now, like I said, let me just show you on my screen on how you can do that very, very fast. Now, once you already aligned all your information on all the platforms, like on your LinkedIn, your name is the same, on your Facebook and your Instagram, just that 3 platforms alone, and your name is correctly written there. Now, the next thing that you're going to do now is that just find a post or a content, post it on your on all these platforms, these 3 platforms, and you can try this platform too. We call it Naira Land. Just write about yourself on this platform. You can just, register on this platform, then create a topic and write about yourself. Now, after you have done that, copy the link of that post that you have written there or you have posted. Just copy it and come to this platform. We call it Pingomatic. So just come to this platform, as you can see on my screen. Just come there, then paste the link of your post. That means that particular post that you have made on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram about yourself or about whatever your feed is about. So just pick the link and come here to come and paste the link. Once you paste the link and you just write the title here, maybe I'm writing about digital marketing trend. Then I'm going to end the topic in this way. Look at how I'm going to write it. I'm going to write Olajire, that's my name, Olawale Emmanuel. My own goal is to rank this name, but I'm using this topic that I've created on my post, that I've done on my post. I'm using it to carry out this name. Then I'll post the link here. Whatever post I've made, I'm going to post the link here. Then I'm going to click on what? Send pings. Once I send pings, Google is going to receive my information. They are going to receive this topic, and anytime anybody type Olajire Emmanuel, is going to come out. Now, another way that you can go about it, if you are using domain, let's say you buy a domain about yourself. For example, this is my domain, dmolawale.com. That's my own particular profile. You can see Olajiri Olawale Emmanuel. This is my portfolio. Now, you can use this if you have a portfolio, you have a personal website. If you are using that angle, you will just copy this your link. Just copy this your link. You can even ask me, how can you create a portfolio? You can use Canva, you can use card.co, you can even use Claude. It's going to generate it for you, and you upload it on your domain. Well, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate your domain properly. It's not that hard at all. Now, after copying your link, you will now open a new tab on your PC or on your phone. You search for Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Google Search Console. This one is for everybody. Now, when you open your Google Search Console, just click on Start Now. When you click on Start Now, it's going to bring you directly to your domain. This is what you are going to do. You just search for your domain. For example, let's say I want to search for this one now. It's going to retrieve the data from Google Index. You can see because I've already submitted this one, it said it's on Google. Let's say it's bringing it for me that your domain is not on Google. I'll now request indexing. You can see I'll request indexing. Indexing means I want Google to crawl my domain, to crawl my name. So after 24 hours, I will now go and search for my name. You see that anywhere that my name is written is going to bring it up. If you don't have access to buying domain, then you can use the first method I've explained, that is Pingomatic. Write content that is going to carry your name at the side. That's what I showed you in this place. I'm trying to repeat it again because I want you to do it and it should work. I need testimonies. Now, after writing the topic like this, then end it, just put a slash at the middle. End it with your name. Then submit it here. The next day, try and search for your name. You are going to see that this topic that you have contributed to each of these platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, is going to bring them up. Now, if you want me to advise you, where can you set up your profile that will make it very fast? Ensure you're on Medium. Ensure you're on Behance.net. Ensure you're on LinkedIn. Ensure you're on Instagram. And just like I've said, let your name be the same on this platform. Write a post, then come and submit it here. After 24 hours, check it out. Your name is going to come out. And you need this to gain trust. Before I leave, let's search for my name again and let's see how it's bringing my own. You can see that it's bringing my profile on every platform. You can see it. This is my own name on every platform. And even if I check AI mode, it's still going to talk about me. Because you can see, I have a lot of things that I've contributed as posts. I'm posting regularly. So Google have enough information to give about me. And that's just a simple trick. See you in my next video when I'm going to be explaining and dropping another secret. Till then, let me see your subscribe.